as an administrator, you can download and print allergy cards directly in the ChildPilot system. To begin, navigate to the Reports tab. On the left-hand side of your screen, scroll down and click on the Children Allergies Report. Here, you will see a list of every child along with their allergies, the severity of each allergy, and the recommended treatment. To download one or multiple children's allergy cards, select the Cards button. From there, choose the children you would like to download allergy cards for, or select the Select All checkbox to include all children. Once your selection is complete, click Select on the top right-hand corner of the pop-up window. This will generate the allergy cards. Next, click Open. The children's allergy cards will open as a PDF file, which you can then download and print. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please contact your designated customer support representative or email support@childpilot.com.